Hello, my friends. Welcome back. Today we're going to learn about fruits, and we're going to build them out of Play-Doh. This Play-Doh mold is in the shape of a type of fruit. Do you know what fruits these are? Grapes! You're right! Today's grapes are going to be purple. First, we're going to flatten it out, and we're going to cut out the shapes. The tricky part, my friends, is to now make all of the individual grapes. I need brown for the stem, so I'm going to mix green and red. Green and red make brown. We've just finished the grapes. Good job, my friends. It looks great. Grapes come in many colors, like red, purple, and green. But what you may not know is that we can also find grapes in black, pink, and blue. What fruit do you think this is? If you've guessed pineapple, you're right. Our pineapple is going to be yellow. Let's cut out the shape. We need the color brown again to make the details. Let's mix green and red. There we go. We need to put lots of lines on our pineapple so that it looks as real as possible. Let's add some green on top for our pineapple leaves. I think our pineapple is just about finished. When you turn a pineapple upside down, it ripens faster. The sugar flows from the base to the rest of the fruit. Can anyone guess what fruit this is? If you guess strawberry, you're right. Our strawberry is going to be bright red. This looks perfect, but I think we're missing something. Let's add some white dots. These are actually strawberry seeds. Wow, my friends, this is really starting to look like a strawberry. Once we add the green for the leaves, our strawberry will be complete. Yum, yum, my friends. Our strawberry looks ripe and delicious. Did you know that strawberries belong to the rose family? That means that even though we enjoy delicious strawberries, they are a type of flower. What fruit is this, my friends? It's very long. You're right, it's a banana. Let's get started by rolling the yellow Play-Doh. Cut out the banana mold. For our banana stem, we are going to add a bit of black to the top and to the bottom. This looks very delicious, just like a real banana. Inside every banana is a natural chemical called serotonin. This makes people feel happy. That means that if you're ever feeling sad, my friends, a banana will make you feel much better. What fruit do you think this is, my friends? If you guessed cherries, you're correct. Let's flatten out a big piece of red Play-Doh. And let's be very careful as we cut it out. We have a little bit of the brown Play-Doh left that we made earlier. Let's use it for our cherry stems. Let's also add a nice big green leaf to our cherries. I think it would be great if we added a little bit of detail to our leaf. That's it! Awesome! Just for fun, let's outline our cherries in red. After all, this is the most delicious part. Our cherries are complete. Awesome job! An average cherry tree has 7,000 cherries on it at once. That's a lot of cherries. Can anyone tell me what you think our last shape is? It's an apple. Apples come in many colors, but we're going to make our apple red. As you know, our first step is to flatten out our Play-Doh. Always take away the extras that you don't need. Slowly and carefully remove the mold. We are going to use our extra brown Play-Doh for the stem. Like some of our other fruits, I think our apple will be perfect once we include the leaf. The leaf looks great. All we need to do is stick it onto our apple. We did it, my friends! Good job! Most of the vitamins found in apples are actually in its skin, so try your best not to peel it off. Thank you so much for creating Play-Doh fruits with me today, boys and girls. I hope you enjoyed yourself and learned a lot. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.